Welcome to Ramp. You should have received an email from Ramp inviting you to join, and I will be walking you through setting up your account. You'll start by navigating to Ramp's sign-in page by clicking the link in the email invite. Next, you will sign in to Ramp. If you are unsure on how to do this, please consult your internal Ramp admin for next steps. After entering your email address, you will log into Ramp. Once you've logged in, you're ready to start setting up your Ramp account. First, you'll read and sign your team's expense policy and add your phone number to Ramp. Adding your phone number lets you text memos and photos of your receipts to Ramp so that we can match them to your transactions without you having to lift a finger. A pro tip when using Ramp is to head into Ramp settings and add your personal email address in the secondary email forwarding box within your profile settings. This allows you to forward receipts directly from your personal inbox to Ramp so that they can be matched to your transactions. Once you enter your email address, you can press Save Changes at the bottom. If your team has reimbursements enabled, you'll add your bank account information. This will help you get paid back faster if you have any reimbursements, or you can pay your company back for any accidental charges on your Ramp card. You'll start by selecting your bank. If you do not see your bank listed, you can manually add account details using the button at the bottom. Once you've found your bank, you will follow the prompts to sign into your account. The last step is initiating bank account verification. You will see a small deposit in your bank account in the next few business days. Once you see these deposits in your personal account, you will log back into Ramp settings under My Profile to enter in the amount you saw to complete the verification. Now that you're set up on Ramp, you will see any cards that your Ramp admin has already issued to your account. To access card information, you can click into the card. This will show you the card number, billing information, and what information is required when transactions occur on the specified cards.